Do you want to see how we're going to turn this $600,000 house into an $800,000 home? Bill Davis here with the Davis team, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to transform this home. So the key to getting your house ready for sale and making sure you maximize profits is doing as little as possible. So with the outside, what we're going to do is we're going to fix all the rotted wood. So we're going to get a termite inspector here, check all the dry rot, fix all the wood, paint everything inside and out. But we're also going to do some light landscaping, cutting all the grass, put some nice tan bark down, putting the new deck in, and just cleaning up the place. So as you can see, the interior needs a lot of love too. So what we're going to do in here, we're just going to keep it really simple. We're going to paint all the walls brand new white, make it look really clean, make it look big. The kitchen cabinets, if it's broken on certain items, it is best to replace those items. And so we're going to put brand new cabinets, put some granite counters, probably go to Granite Expo to actually install them at a fairly good price. We're going to put floating floor, vinyl, waterproof flooring all the way throughout the house and carpet in the bedroom to save costs a little bit. But I'm telling you guys, just doing a little bit of this work, I'm talking about, maybe $20,000 to $30,000. It's gonna profit my client, rather selling it as is versus right now, probably $200,000. And that's a big difference in this market. I'm talking about if we try to sell it right now as is, it's gonna go for about $600,000, which the property down the street did. Take some cell phone pictures. But what if you fixed it up fully? I'm talking about bringing it back to 2022 for $20,000 to $30,000. We're gonna get closer to $800,000 for this property.